Hey folks, this is Buloh from linsfood.com. Today, I'm sharing a favorite childhood recipe from Malaysia. This is glutinous rice traditionally cooked in bamboo. But I'm going to show you the method without bamboo, or Tanpa Buloh, as we would say in Malay. You really have to visit my blog for the full write-up, including hints and tips. Let's take a look at the recipe itself. So we're going to need 500 grams or just over a pound of white glutinous rice, which we're going to be soaking for a minimum of 3 hours, but overnight if you have the time. Once that's done, we drain, rinse and drain the rice and put it aside until needed. We're going to need banana leaves if you have access to them for this recipe. So this is how you soften banana leaves. Essentially just hold it over a flame and watch the magic work. The leaves will get a brighter green and shiny as they soften and get pliable. This is so you can roll and fold them without ripping them apart. So we start off by greasing the base of a pan. Use your rice cooker if that's how you cook your rice. Line with banana leaf. Dip our soaked rice in. Add salt, 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And we're going to cook this rice with coconut milk. So we're going to use 250 ml of coconut milk or 1 cup and the same amount of water. Add all that to the rice. And if you have some pandan leaves, add that to the rice as well. And top everything with another layer of banana leaf. This is so the rice gets the flavor of banana leaf while it's cooking. Cover, bring to a boil and simmer for 30 minutes. When the rice is done, discard the banana leaf and the pandan leaves. Fluff up the rice and leave it to cool before handling it further. We're now going to be rolling it up in our softened, pliable banana leaves. So tip it out onto a plate to cool it faster if you like. So here we are, ready to roll. Be careful with rips in your banana leaf, especially if, like me, you only have access to frozen ones because they tend to be more fragile. So roll up your lemang in your banana leaves, and we're going to proceed to secure the rice in the rolled up leaves. And this is how we do it. Fold one end of your banana leaf, secure with your stick. Secure the length of your leaves with another cocktail stick. And then do the same at the other end, compressing the rice slightly as you go along. So as I said, click that link above to read up on the full post. It's full of explanations of the various ingredients, what you can do, what you shouldn't do, and also a little bit of history and background knowledge on the recipe itself. So here we are. You can cook it in an oven or finish it off on a barbecue, whichever you prefer. So the idea is that we are going to burn the leaves to impart a smoky aroma and flavor to the rice itself. The wood chips on the barbecue will mimic the smell and the flavor of the bamboo, which we're not using here. Go to my blog for the full recipe. That's it. That's your finished lemang. Now all that's needed now is to slice it up with a wet knife and serve it however you like. The traditional method is with some beef rendang, some serunding, which is fried flavored desiccated coconut. There we are. Lemang without the use of bamboo on linsfood.com. Hit that link for the full post.